And my name's Brianna.
Look, welcome back to our channel. I have a weird name for our channel because this was not my phone before. Today we're doing slime challenge and squishy challenge. She don't have no squishies, so I'm just gonna let her use one of mine. We're gonna do the poking challenge. Mine's butter slime, so it's not gonna poke. Hers don't either. This stretching challenge. No, okay, I'll go first. She'll go second. Okay, now her turn. Okay, watch out. So I think I won that one. The bubble challenge. Popping challenge. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna do the bubble challenge after I get this warmed up. Well, it needs something in my bubble. Taco Henry, try to make a bubble.
Okay. That's fake. I thought you made me pancakes for breakfast.
That's squishy.
You're playing with slime before church? God,
Now we're gonna put our slime away and do squishies, and then we have to leave. Hers is in a weird container.
Yeah.
These are homemade slimes, well, some hers, but she did add a lot of things to it. She added actual slime that she made, and then she added, I don't know what else, but we can put these away now for squishies. Just got 4 minutes left until we leave. You want to use this one?
Yeah.
That's all. So we got this squishy. We got this squishy. This squishy. This squishy. This squishy. This squishy. This squishy. Which one's better? This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one or this one. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up.